Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to compare the new Amazfit T-Rex versus Kingwear KC05. We had the Kingwear for a while in our channel, we saw the unboxed video on how to connect it. Now that we got the Amazfit T-Rex, we showed you same how to connect it, we unboxed it. If you want to see that video, go ahead in our channel, you will find in the first page. And today we're going to compare these two by showing you some specifics of them. First, we're going to see the software, what we have there. We're going to test some of the options that we can test, and then we're going to discuss about the good things and bad things that they have. So let's go ahead, see what we got first with the Amazfit T-Rex, and let's come back to the Kingwear KC05. We have now here the Amazfit T-Rex. As we said, we are going to start with this smartwatch. So we know that Amazfit T-Rex comes in 5 different colors, like rock black, gun gray, army green, camo green and khaki. It has 12 different certifications from military. We have 20 days battery in daily using, 66 days in basic watch mode and 12 hours in continuously GPS on. In the T-Rex we have 1.3-inch AMOLED display. Other than that, in the software we have built-in satellite GPS and 14 sport modes. Also we have 50 meters water resistance, so we can use these sports all the way up. So let's go ahead, see what we got more in the menu of T-Rex, and then we can compare them between each other. So now that we know what the Amazfit T-Rex is capable of, we can see what we have here in the menu. So as you can see, the first page we have this beautiful red theme going here in the first page. We have the time, the weather, battery, date as well, steps here in the bottom. As you can see, we can change this face just by holding it and pressing it. And also you saw in the unboxed video we have plenty of other faces. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. Up we have the torch, power saver, do not disturb, brightness and lock screen. We have battery, date and weather. Down we have steps, heart rate. In the left we have notifications. Right we have the menu. In the menu, as you can see, we have status, heart rate, workout, activities, weather, music, alarm, event reminder, timer. We have countdown, find my phone, compass and settings. So as you can see, we have quite a few options here in the Amazfit T-Rex. Let's go ahead, test some of these options that we saw in the menu, and we can compare it in the end. As you can see, now we have here the T-Rex in our hand. Let's go straight to the menu. Heart rate, we have the first option, and let's wait for some results. And we have here some first result here. As you can see, it's not so fast, but it's okay. We have, again, as I said before, this rainbow thing. It tells us the heart rate. Now we have the relaxed, and here is when we are active. Next we have workout, outdoor running, press go. Immediately it will start to measure our duration, distance, pace, heart rate here, time in the top. As you can see, you can pause and unpause with that button. Down we have more information. As you can see, we have sedence, average pace and consumption. That is pretty good. It works perfectly. We have quite a few information about the sport, and we don't need anything else here in our watch. So that's pretty good. Until now everything is working perfectly. We have one more thing that I want to show you, and that is the compass. So this device has GPS built in, and it has compass and other stuff to make this smartwatch really reliable. So that's all that we can test here in the T-Rex. Let's bring the other smartwatch here and test them. As you can see, now we have here the KC05. The KC05, if you don't know, it has 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM. It's waterproof and designed to deal with conditions like sweats and a bit of rain. So it's very useful in daily using. So you don't have to be always so careful to not get wet this watch. The KC05 has 1.39 inch AMOLED HD rounded screen with a good resolution and all these kind of stuff. As you can see, we have a great view in this watch face that we have right now. It has very accurate GPS positioning, notification push to call, SMSs and other things. In the right side we have an 8 megapixel camera, as you can see right here, and 2 buttons. One is for power it on and off, as you can see here in the top of the watch. We have different sport modes and health caring, also a battery, 620 milliamp hour battery, and it's enough for this smartwatch. So let's go ahead, see some options that we have here in the KC05, and then we can test with Amazfit T-Rex. As you can see, now in the first page we have this beautiful face that we put on. We can change it just by pressing it and holding it, same as other smartwatches. So you can see right here how it works. We can change it or put other things or download more here in the KC05. You can see here in the left of KC05 we have notifications. Down we have some sports data. As you can see, all the days of the week are here. Up we have the taskbar. As you can see, we have time, day, date, percentage of battery, and 2 logos of Bluetooth and SIM card. In the right we have here some shortcuts for brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, location, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. More we have here a cleaner, and we have music control and the weather in the end. In the right we have the menu, as you can see, starting from contacts, messages, Google Chrome, calendar, alarm clock, download, settings, calls, camera, music, file manager, steps, weather, heart rate, sound record, gallery. We have voice search, location, Play Store, assistant, and we have here YouTube, Instagram and Messenger that we downloaded before. So let's go ahead and wear this smartwatch, see how it sits in our hand, and test some of the health caring, and then we're going to test these apps that we downloaded before and see what we got from them. Now we have here the KC05. As you can see, we are at the menu, and let's go ahead. We have here the sport mode. The first thing is outdoor run. Press go and we can see seconds going. We have here kilometers, blood pressure measurement, burn calories, kilometer per hour and minutes per kilometer in the end. Everything is working really good, as you can see right now. We don't have any trouble at all. Now we have the results here for the blood pressure, so we know you can use the KC05 while you are working out or running, everything that you want to use it. Let's go to the heart rate now, see what we got. As you can see, we have the same result as we had in the sport mode, so that means that everything is working perfectly. And I don't think we have anything else to show you, so let's go ahead, connect the watch with Wi-Fi and test the social media or the apps that we downloaded. You can see now we have here the watch, so let's go ahead to Instagram first. As you can see, immediately it shows our Instagram page. We can like, comment, send pictures, everything that you can do in the phone you can do here in the KC05 as well. Let's go to the profile. As you can see, now we have our profile right here in the KC05. In case you are not following, go ahead and follow our page. We are following back some people. So we showed you the Instagram. Let's go to the YouTube, put some no copyright music and test the sound of the KC05. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. I don't think we have anything else to test here, so let's go ahead and bring the T-Rex and see what we got more from these devices. And now we are back. We saw the specifics of both of them, we saw how they worked and the performance of them, so we know now with what we are dealing here. So both of them are great. I've used the KC05 before, it works perfectly. The battery is fine. The Amazfit T-Rex for myself is better. You have this more sporty look that you can wear with anything and you can use it every day. Also the 20 days battery life, built-in GPS and water resistant up to 50 meters. The downside of the T-Rex is that we don't have a Play Store. We can download stuff in the Amazfit, but we can in the KC05. Also, we don't have any camera like in the KC05. The screen is larger in the KC05, but in the T-Rex we have AMOLED display, which is clearly better. You can see that they have good things and bad things. We have 4 buttons to help us maneuver while we are using it in the T-Rex, but the KC05 as well is pretty good. So let me know in comment down below which one do you think is better and why. I will read all your comments, reply to you all, and see what you think about these two smartwatches. This was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.